Hey everyone! In today's video, we are diving into a scenario where we have to solve technical SQL questions creatively within a project setting. Let's explore how to use SQL for real world problem solving. We'll go overview three SQL techniques using case statements for classification, handling null values, and combining case with aggregation functions, all through the lens of a project scenario. Let's get into it. Before jumping into any code, the first step is always to understand what the project needs. In this case, imagine you are asked to classify employees by experience, fill in missing data, and calculate totals based on certain conditions. Each task has specific requirements that will address with SQL. So, with a clear sense of what we need, let's move on to the first SQL technique. Classifying data with case statements. For our first task, we will use a case statement to classify employees based on years of experience. So after that, this case statement checks each employee's experience and assigns a label based on their years. This way, we can group employees into categories, which is useful for team management or performance analysis. Next, let's look at how to handle null values, which often pop up in real-world data. In this project, if an employee's department is missing, we don't want to leave it blank. Using collects, we can set a default value. Finally, let's look at our using case inside an aggregation function, a powerful way to filter and calculate data. Our last task requires calculating total salaries for a specific group. Say only for senior employees, we can use case within the sum function to do this. This query adds up the salaries of only senior employees by filtering within the sum function. This approach is great for project settings where we need to calculate metrics for specific groups. Once I have written these queries, I test them on sample data to make sure they are working as expected. It's also a good idea to refine and optimize the queries, keeping them efficient and readable. Now we have got our queries working and fine-tuned. Let's wrap up with the key takeaways. So, to creatively solve technical problems in a project setting, start by understanding requirements, apply the right SQL techniques, and test your solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you approach technical challenges in your own projects. Thanks for watching.